Yesterday, someone asked whether it is possible to use the syntax that you can see in the image to share code between files. And the answer is yes. And before I jump into that, yesterday I forgot to mention something. So if we get rid of these two, so what you can do, you can export these. Instead of exporting them individually, you can export them at once. For example, you can see here, we can do this. This is also valid. And now, if you run math, you get the same things. Now, going back to the question of our friend. So in here, we can do this as well, right? This is also valid. It is the common JS syntax. But then if we export our functions like this, then we need to change the way we import them because it's totally different syntax. And here, what we're going to do instead, we are going to declare a variable and use the require keyword to import them. Remember, this export here is an object. As you can see, if we log export, and this object contains our functions. Like what's going to happen if I run this utils, you can see we have an object with our two anonymous functions, add and multiply. So if we want to get these functions here, we need to do lib, because it is an object and we need to get the functions inside this object. And now check this out, still working the same, right? We got 8 and 12. One thing you could do here is, instead of doing this as well, like individually, we can export them like this. I'm gonna go back to where I was before. Now what we can do to export them, we can use this approach. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna add and multiply, and now this is going to do exactly the same thing, as you can see. So we got 8 and 12. Yeah, definitely he is right. We can use this syntax to export or to share code between files.